Hi, I'm Udayan. So I'm going to give a talk on Koala. So what is Koala? Is it just a furry small bear? It's actually not. It's a code analysis framework. So so Koala is a multi-platform code analysis framework that lints and fixes all your code. And the unique thing about Koala is that it works for all programming languages. And it also makes a lot of user-defined tasks very convenient. So what are these tasks? What does it make convenient? So say suppose you want to support spell checking for all natural languages on LibreOffice. Would you sit down and rewrite LibreOffice? No, right? You would resort to something like plugins. Now with so many editors, I'm sure everyone uses different editors here. Everyone has their own preferences. Would you write a plugin for all these platforms? Would you write a different program for CLI? Would you write a different plugin for Atom? Would you write a different plugin for it to work on GitHub? So you're saying that I have an analysis framework that works brilliantly, that finds all the errors. For example, I have an analysis that finds PEP8 errors in your code. Now, if I want to make it available on each and every one of these platforms, I'm not going to sit down and write different code for each and every one of these platforms. So that's where Koala comes in. You just write one analysis, and Koala will make it available on each and every one of these platforms. And what else will Koala do? It will pick up those errors and automatically fix them in your code. So if you remember when you started contributing to open source, you have come across those naggy code indentation errors, code format errors. You just mention to Koala what format you want. It'll automatically fix all your code for those errors. So we already have support for 55 languages right now. Koala works on 55 languages, and it even works on Vim and Emacs. So you're wondering, all this is brilliant, but how does Koala work? So I'm going to demo it on how it works on CLI. Is the text visible? Yeah. So I already have set up a configuration file for Koala, which checks for space inconsistency errors. And I've told it that I don't want tabs in my code, I only want spaces. So now the simple task that I have to do is, I just type Koala. It will analyze all my code, right? And it will tell me where all the errors lie. So I used a tab there. Instead, there should be a space here, right? And you can just tell it to fix it automatically, and it has fixed your error, and you don't have to do anything else now. Okay, so do I have time left for questions? No? Anyway. Okay. Anyone? So anyone has questions can catch me. And I want you to try Koala. You can go to koala.io to try Koala. Also, I've been contributing to Koala for the past 2 years, and it has been one of the most friendly open source communities that I've contributed to. I'm pretty sure that anyone who's looking here to enter into open source should definitely leave us a message. And you can catch me, and I have an open space tomorrow at 11, and we also have dev sprints. So yeah, happy coding, everyone. I'm pretty sure you can write your own analysis for it, and that analysis won't be longer than 20 lines of Python code. So you write that analysis in Python itself, right? It's a static code analysis. So you'll get all the file names, file content, everything provided to you. And as soon as you just have to write that analysis, what do you have to do on every line, right? Or what do you have to do on multiple lines? And that's it. That analysis will be available to you on CLI, on GitHub, as plugins to multiple editors.
So that's all from Uday.